Cuyahoga County issued a health alert after 9 people overdosed on drugs in just the last 24 hours.
Yeah, the medical examiner believes all of these deaths are related to fentanyl.
Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins joins us to explain that this is something that we've actually never seen before.
We have seen a number of overdose deaths, but 9 in 24 hours truly is unprecedented, and we've been watching this opioid epidemic for more than a decade. So overdose deaths keep Ohio in the top 10 states, still battling the epidemic for the last decade. We have among the highest number of overdose deaths. The county's worst year of overdoses was in 2017 with 720, and unfortunately we are on par to surpass that number by the end of this year. We've also seen a shift. It's estimated the majority of street drugs are now laced with fentanyl, which may explain why we're seeing more overdose deaths in the inner city and a significant rise in deaths among African Americans. And that's why the medical examiner, Tom Gilson, issued a public health alert warning those with substance use disorders to use test strips to check drugs for fentanyl, never use alone, and always keep Naloxone with you. And while we're waiting for the toxicology reports, it is expected the 9 did die from fentanyl and likely synthetic fentanyl that has been floating around. And I've heard estimates that about 98% of illicit street drugs are now laced with fentanyl on the streets of Northeast Ohio.
Oh my gosh. I mean, so looking at these numbers, do we have a sense of the age range of those who died?
Yeah, the age range may actually really surprise you. So there were 7 men, 2 women, 4 victims were in their 60s. 3 in their 40s, a 30-year-old and a 26-year-old. The majority were in Cleveland. One, though, was in Mayfield Heights. That was the 26-year-old, and a 40-year-old was in Bay Village. Coming up at 6, I'll explain the harm reduction strategies the medical examiner is suggesting, but for now, again, he warns that the illicit street drug supply is likely laced with fentanyl, so got to be careful out there.
Wow.
All right, Monica, thank you.
Sure.
Well, there is